Now, how do you add a filter onto your data set without using your mouse? Normally, some people will just select this entire data set with their mouse, but I'll show you how to use it with your keyboard first. Okay, let's start off right here. I'll go down to my header, the first cell with a header, and then select everything in this column. I'll hold Control Shift and then press the down arrow, and notice that it stops here because there's a blank space. We'll take that out later. And then I still hold Control Shift, but this time press right so that it'll go all the way to the end of the data, and it selected that box. The next thing that you do to add a filter without using your mouse is you hold Control Shift and then press L, and boom, you have a filter. But the problem is that this filter will not catch this data here because of the space that that the selection caught or stopped at. So what we have to do to fix the situation is remove the filter. Let's do that first. You don't have to, but let's do that first. You can select anywhere in the table and then hold Control Shift, Control Shift, and then press L, and the filter comes off. All right, let's remove this row. I did it in the previous video. So it's press Alt, H for home, D for delete, and R for rows. So I deleted that row. Now let's go back and apply the filter. Let's select the data set. So Control Shift down, Control Shift right. I was already holding it, so you probably didn't hear the keys. And then Control Shift L. So now you have a filter on your data set or table.